Okay guys, it's time for letter sounds and words. Let's finish off strong. Today we're going to do our sight word cheer, then we're going to move into the rest of the material. Here we go, everybody. Start with, give me an I. What's that spell? I. Give me an L. Give me an I. Give me a K. Give me an E. What's that spell? Like. Give me a Y. Give me an O. Give me a U. What's that spell? U. Read it, boys and girls. I like you. Great job, you guys. Let's keep having some fun. We're going to move right into our rhymes. It is give me 5. I'm going to say a word, then I'm going to count out to 5. I want you to tell me as many words that rhyme with it as possible. I'll give you some examples at the end. Here we go. What rhymes with skate? Wait, rate, trait. Good. What rhymes with well? Smell, shell, tell. What rhymes with rice? Twice, mice, spice. Keep going. What rhymes with boat? Goat, moat, float. What rhymes with junk? Gunk, skunk, chunk. One more. What rhymes with Y? Fly, buy, my, even a tie. Good job, you guys. Okay, I'm going to say a sentence. Each word in the sentence begins with the same sounds. There are some that have blends, which is two sounds put together. So here we go. Let's find those beginning sounds with fluffy, flakes, fluttered. Full. Quit quoting quitters. Qua. Young Yolanda yodels. Yeah. Scared skunk scatter. Sk. Ray ruined Rick's raincoat. Aw. And every elf expected extra. Okay, I'm going to break down the words into syllables, the parts of the word, not the individual sounds, the parts of words, the syllables. You build it back together and tell me what the word is. Here we go. Forgetful. Forgetful. Excitement. Excitement. Important. Important. Magnetic. Magnetic. Porcupine. Porcupine. Oh. Salamander. Salamander. And popular. Popular. Just like each and every one of you guys are. Okay, here we go. I'm going to say another sentence. They all end with the same sound. Let's find it. Here we go. Liz has curls. Zzz. Pat wrote Matt. T. Hank drank pink milk. K. Fish, splish, splash. Shh. Brad had old bread. D. And no yellow jello. O. Okay, now it's time to count out the syllables. Remember, it's not the individual sounds, it's the parts of the word. Break it up. Here we go with hexagon. Hexagon. 3 syllables. Enormous. Enormous. 3 syllables. Glimmering. Glimmering. 3 syllables. Misbehaving. Misbehaving. 4 syllables. Macaroni. Macaroni. 4 syllables. And elastic. Elastic. 3 syllables. And finally, perfectly. Perfectly. 3 syllables. Okay, I'm going to be changing the vowel sound around in the middle. Tell me what the new word is. Here we go. Meat. Change E to O. Moat. Tame. Change A to E. Team. Leak. Change E to A. Lake. Nail. Change A to E. Kneel. Heel. Change E to A. Hail. Grade. Change A to E. Greed. Steal. Change E to A. Stale. Sleep. Change E to O. Slope. Float. Change O to E. Fleet. And teen. Change E to O. Tone. Good job. Okay, going to add our suffix or our prefix, the beginning or ends of a word. Here we go. Give. Add ing to the end. Giving. Turn. Add ing to the end. Turning. Show. Add ing to the end. Showing. Word. Add s to the end. Words. Class. Add s to the end. Classes. Arm. Add s to the end. Arms. Pack. Add un to the beginning. Unpack. Made. Add re to the beginning. Remade. Turn. Add re to the beginning. Return. And wash. Add un to the beginning. Unwash. Okay, now it's time for me to take away a suffix or take away a prefix. Here we go with taking. Take away ing. Take. Finding. Take away ing. Find. Seeing. Take away ing. See. Animals. Take away s. Animal. Spaces. Take away s. Space. Boxes. Take away s. Box. Unsure. Take away un. Sure. Unreal. Take away un. Real. Restart. Take away re. Start. And rewind. Take away re. Wind. You guys, it's been great. We've been having a lot of fun. Keep practicing. Keep getting smarter. You're all amazing kids. I'll see you later.